Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak English Smart and Fluent. Today we're going to learn English numbers, but not in a boring way. We will focus on pronunciation, patterns, and simple rules that'll help you remember numbers forever. This lesson is divided into 4 parts. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me. Let's begin.
Part 1. Numbers from 0 to 10. Let's start with the basics.
0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. Now I'll give you some tips for pronouncing difficult sounds like 3 and 8. 3. Place your tongue between your teeth. Blow air softly. Do not use TOS. 8. This word has a long vowel sound. Open your mouth slightly. Say like in D.
Part 2. Numbers from 11 to 20. What does teen mean?
11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20. The ending teen means numbers from 13 to 19. The stress goes on teen. Your voice goes up at the end. Compare. 13, 30. This difference is very important.
Part 3. Numbers from 21 to 30. The key to all numbers.
20, 20, 20, 21, 21, 21, 22, 22, 22, 23, 23, 23, 24, 24, 24, 25, 25, 25, 26, 26, 26, 27, 27, 27, 28, 28, 28, 29, 29, 29, 30, 30, 30. Once you learn 20, 30, 40, etc., you already know all numbers. English numbers follow a simple pattern, tens plus numbers. Example, 20 plus 3 equals 23. 30 plus 7 equals 37. That's it.
Part 4. Tens from 30 to 100.
30, 30, 30, 40,
Yep.
40,
Yep.
40,
Yep.
50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90, 100, 100, 100.
Random numbers. Practice.
47, 47, 47, 83, 83, 83, 156, 156, 156. And that's it. If you understand these patterns, you can say any number in English. Practice slowly. Focus on pronunciation. And repeat out loud. See you in the next lesson.